Every morning when I walk past the airport for work, I see the sun rising, a light mist, and the planes just standing there, still. It's a truly beautiful sight. A kind of aviation romance. I wanted my life to be interesting. I wanted to work and also enjoy what I do every day. I started as an aircraft mechanic and shifted my focus once I started studying aviation management at university. I had the opportunity to join the FL Technics sales team, starting as an assistant sales manager. I progressed to become a sales manager and then head of sales. Now, my role primarily involves managing the team. My team is evenly split, with 50% men and 50% women. It's definitely not just a men's field. We also highly value women. At FL Technics, we offer a very diverse range of roles for people to explore. Whether in engineering, customer liaison, or supporting specific IT platforms. There's a wide range of roles and significant growth opportunities. Aviation is a rapidly evolving field that requires you to adapt quickly, understand its dynamics, and respond and think swiftly. This field is the opposite of mundane. It's never boring, and has a remarkable charm and captivates you, which I believe is incredibly important.